Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and very nice multicolor bubble stitch hat. This hat is made for baby size 6 to 12 months, but you can adjust that for each size you want. I made that with a worsted weight yarn in 6 colors and 2 number of hooks. The first hook is 5 millimeters for the brim and the second is 5.5 for the body. You can use 2 colors only, the first color for the main color and the second for the rounds of bubble stitches, but I liked make that with several yarns and make each rounds of bubbles with new yarn and make a multicolor hat. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with smaller hook and the main color and make a slip knot and then make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can add more chains for a bigger size. And now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into next chain and other chains. We have to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. Now at the end I have 7 single crochets, make a chain and turn the work. Then make 1 back loop single crochet into first stitch. Here insert hook under back loop only and make 1 single crochet and repeat that work again. Go to back loop of next stitch, make 1 single crochet into that and again make 1 back loop single crochet into next stitch and repeat that work until the end. And at the end for the last stitch we should work under both loops, not into back loop. Insert a hook under both loops of last stitch and make 1 single crochet. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. Make 1 back loop single crochet into first 6 stitches and then make 1 normal single crochet under both loops of the last single crochet of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Make a chain, turn the work and again repeat this row. Row 2 should be repeated several times until the length of this band reaches the desired circumference, and the number of these rows should be a multiple of 2. So I continue this work and I will repeat row 2 until make a rectangle with these rows. I made 44 rows of single crochets and now I want to measure that. We have to allow 2 inches of stretch from the head circumference to hat circumference. Okay, I measure the length of this band and that's 14 inches. 2 inches less than the head circumference of 6 to 12 months. That's 16 inches. That's enough for this size, and the number of rows is a multiple of 2. Now I want to fold the band in half and put 2 sides together. Insert the hook under both loops of first stitch of last row and into remaining loop of first stitch of first row and yarn over and pull through this loop on the hook. Then go to next stitch, insert hook under both loops of that and insert hook into remaining loop of front stitch of first row and make a slip stitch and repeat that work for other stitches and join each stitch of last row to front stitch of first row with slip stitch. Okay, now turn the work to see this invisible join. And now we have to start the body of the hat around this edge of the brim, the long edge of the brim. So remove the hook and continue my work with larger hook. First make a chain and then make one single crochet here, and hide this yarn through the work. Go to first row here and make one single crochet at top of that. Then go to next row, make one single crochet at top of that, and repeat that work. We have to make one single crochet per each row of the brim until the end of the brim. Now make a slip stitch into first single crochet and round 1 is finished. For start round 2, make a chain and then make one single crochet into same stitch, the first stitch. Then again make a chain and skip next stitch. Go to the next, make one single crochet here. One more time, make a chain, skip the next stitch and make one single crochet into the next, and again repeat that. Make a chain, skip the next, one single crochet into the next, and repeat this work until the end of the round. Now at the end, after last single crochet, make a chain and skip the last stitch of previous round and make one slip stitch into first single crochet. And now I want to make next round with another yarn. So grab next yarn and pull through this loop on the hook, make a chain and pull these 2 yarns tightly. Okay, now make a chain to start next round. And make one single crochet into first stitch, that's a single crochet, and then go to this chain 1 space between these 2 single crochets and make one bobble stitch here. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2, and repeat that work 2 more times. 1 and 2. Okay, now I have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all loops, and then make one single crochet into next single crochet. Again, go to next chain 1 space here and make one bobble stitch here, make 4 incomplete double crochet, and collect them together. Then go to next single crochet and make one single crochet and push this bobble stitch to front and repeat that work. Again make one single crochet, again make one bobble stitch into next chain 1 space with 4 incomplete double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and collect them together. Make one single crochet into next single crochet and push this bubble stitch to front, and you have to repeat this work. Make one single crochet into each single crochet and make one bubble stitch into each chain one space of previous round. Okay, this is my work after round 3 of the body. Now make one slip stitch into first single crochet, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. Then again, grab the first yarn and pull it through from here, the first single crochet of this round, and make a chain. Make one single crochet into same single crochet, one chain, and skip next bubble stitch. Go to next stitch, that's a single crochet, and make one single crochet at top of that. Again, make a chain, skip next bubble, and make one single at top of next single crochet, and again repeat that. We have to skip all bubble stitches and make one chain, and then make one single crochet into each single crochet of previous round, and continue this work until the end. Okay, at the end, after last single crochet, make one chain and skip the last bubble stitch and make one slip stitch into first single crochet, make a chain, and repeat this round. First make one single crochet into this single crochet, then make a chain and go to next single crochet and make one single crochet at top of that. Again, make a chain, skip this chain one space, and make one single crochet into next single crochet, and continue until the end of the round. Okay, I'm at the end of round 5, and skip the last chain one space and make one slip stitch into first single crochet, and then we have to repeat this round of bubble stitches and single crochets, and you can make next round with same yarn or use another yarn for next round. I make these rounds of bubble stitches with several yarns and make a multicolor pattern, and then again grab the first yarn and repeat these 2 rounds, round 4 and round 5. Actually these 3 rounds, round 3, 4 and 5, should be repeated until the height of the hat from the start of the rib band reaches the desired size. Okay, I repeated round 3 to round 5 1, 2, 3 times, and then add 1 round of bubble stitches. And now the height of my hat is 6.5 inches, and it should be 7 inch. And now I want to decrease the top of the hat, so grab the first yarn, I cut the last yarn, and now continue the work from here. First single crochet and grab the first yarn and make a chain, and then make 1 single crochet into first single crochet, and then skip the bubble stitch, and without chaining go to next single crochet here and make 1 single crochet. Again skip next bubble and go to next single and make 1 single crochet. In this round we don't make chains between each 2 single crochet, and we have to make only single crochet into each single crochet and skip all bobble stitches of previous round, because we want to decrease the top of the hat, so we have to decrease the number of stitches in this round. Okay, continue this work until the end. Now at the end, skip the last bobble stitch and without chaining make a slip stitch into first single crochet, then make a chain to start next round, and in this round we have to decrease each 2 single crochets. Insert hook into first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then go to next single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through next these 3 loops on the hook to make a decreased single crochet. Again, go to next single crochet here, yarn over, pull up a loop, go to the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, and repeat that work. Make a decreased single crochet over each 2 stitches and repeat until the end. Okay, at the end, after last decrease single crochet, make a slip stitch into first single crochet, and now this is the last round, and this circle at top of the hat has become very small, and if you want to make large size and or child size, you have to repeat this round of decreases 2 or 3 more times, depends on your size hat, and when this circle is become very small, you have to fast enough and cut the yarn and leave a long tail to sew the top of the hat, and then turn the work and with a tapestry needle sew the top of the hat. Insert the hook into each stitch of last round and pull the yarn and continue this work. Again, pull the yarn, and when I reach the first stitch, pull the yarn tightly to close this hole completely, and then make more stitches to secure this hole. And cut the yarn, and you can attach a pom-pom at top of the hat. And now this is my work after attaching the pom-pom at top of the hat. I hope you like this video and enjoy making this multicolor beautiful hat. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.